Please like, share and subscribe to Doit Industries India Private Limited and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.
Requirements during the installation of the steam machine.
Single phase connection with proper earthing.
16 ampere plug socket.
20 to 60 TDS water. To connect the nozzle to the solenoid valve, simply screw the nozzle onto the outlet port of the solenoid valve until it is securely tightened. Place the foot pedal on the floor. Install the funnel. Turn on water funnel bypass. Switch on the machine. Fill the water to minimum water level to prevent any damage to the heater. Turn off water bypass. Turn on heater. Machine is ready to use.